Hi everyone, and welcome to the fourth video in our balance series. In this video, I'll be talking through some guidance on how to create a holistic study plan. Holistic study planning is about creating a plan that enables you to study in a way that is realistic, suits your needs, and supports your well-being. It's about building in breaks and making time for fun to enable you to get the most out of your study time and a good balance between your studies and the rest of your life. I'll now run through some guidance to get you started in creating your holistic study plan. It may help to have a weekly plan to hand before continuing. You can find this by following the link in the caption below, downloading either an hour-by-hour version or one that's split by morning, afternoon and evening. Here is some guidance for holistic study planning. Start by adding in commitments which can't be changed. These are things like your lectures, seminars and any paid work which you might do. Then add your human essentials. These are things you have to do every day, like cooking, eating and sleeping. Next, add in things that keep you well and happy. This will look different to all of us, but can include exercising or socialising, for example. Remember, you're not fitting in all these things every day, but try and have a good spread throughout the week. These are our pleasurable activities from the 3Ps video in this series. And now it's time for chores. Our practical activities from the 3Ps video. Remembering that keeping on top of practical activities is part of maintaining a good balance, and you'll also get a nice feeling of achievement once you've completed the tasks. And now it's time to add in your independent study time. Think about what is a realistic amount of time to put into study. Select an amount of time that matches your ability to focus, and think about the times a day when you're most productive. It's a good idea within the periods of study time to break it down further into subtasks, with plenty of breaks, and you can even reward yourself when you've completed each smaller task, as this can help to motivate you to keep going. Once your loose plan is in place, you can set your achievable goals within each study block, so don't worry about doing all this now. Now, reflect on your plan. Does this plan give you enough contingency? As in space for things to go wrong or unexpected things to happen that might throw your plan out? Are you overcommitted? Is there anything on your plan you can say no to? The best thing to do now you have your holistic study plan is to try it out. Remember, it's okay if it doesn't work out for you straight away. Be kind to yourself and keep adjusting your plan until it suits you. Discover what works best for you and helps to support you to maintain a good balance of both your studies and the rest of your life. Remember, it's this balance that will best support you to maintain your well-being and put you in the best state for learning, so it's a win-win. If you'd like further support in this area, then follow the links below and have a go at putting your own plan into place and see how you get on.